Is your sink filled with gross standing water that won't go down? Before you call an expensive plumber or use harsh chemicals, let me show you 3 powerful home remedies that will unclog your drain in under 30 minutes using items you already have in your kitchen. Let's start with the most basic but effective method. 1. Boil 6 to 8 cups of water. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of regular salt. 3. Pour it down in 3 stages. First pour, breaks down grease, wait 30 seconds. Second pour, loosens debris, wait 30 seconds. Final pour, flushes everything. Pro tip, for kitchen sinks, add 1/4 cup of dish soap to cut through grease better. This powerful combination creates a natural drain cleaner. 1. First, remove standing water, use a cup or bowl. 2. Pour 1 cup of baking soda. 3. Follow with 1 cup white vinegar. 4. Immediately cover with a plug or rag. 5. Let it work for 30 minutes. 6. Pour entire kettle of boiling water. Pro tip, for tough clogs, repeat twice. 6. Here's a stronger natural solution. 1. Mix in a bowl, 1/2 cup borax, 1/2 cup salt, 1 cup white vinegar. 2. Pour down drain. 3. Let sit for 2 hours. 4. Flush with boiling water. This mixture breaks down soap scum and hard water deposits. 4. For organic clogs like hair and food. 1. Mix 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/2 cup table salt, 2 tablespoons cream of tartar. 2. Pour mixture down drain. 3. Add 2 cups boiling water. 4. Leave overnight. 5. Flush with hot water in morning. This method smells amazing. 1. Collect peels from 2 lemons and 2 oranges. 2. Boil in 4 cups water for 10 minutes. 3. Strain liquid. 4. Add 1/2 cup salt. 5. Pour hot mixture down drain. 6. Wait 1 hour. 7. Flush with hot water. Perfect for tough clogs. 1. Mix to form paste, 1 cup salt, 1 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup cream of tartar. 2. Push paste down drain. 3. Add 2 cups boiling water. 4. Let sit for 2 hours. 5. Run hot water for 2 to 3 minutes when nothing else works. 1. Start with boiling water. Flush. 2. Add baking soda and vinegar mixture. 3. While fizzing, add 1/2 cup salt, 2 tablespoons cream of tartar. 4. Cover and wait 3 hours. 5. Flush with entire kettle of boiling water. 6. Use plunger for 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Final hot water flush. Keep your drains clear by 1. Weekly hot water flush. 2. Monthly baking soda/vinegar treatment. 3. Using drain strainers. 4. Avoiding grease disposal. 5. Running cold water during garbage disposal use. 6. Using enzyme treatments monthly. Important safety notes. 1. Never mix these natural cleaners with chemical products. 2. Use caution with boiling water. 3. Ensure good ventilation. 4. Wear gloves for protection. 5. If clog persists after 24 hours, seek professional help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving home remedies. Comment below which method worked best for you. Hit the notification bell to never miss our new natural solution videos.